Hi, this is Wolf of Airlock Insulation based out of Cleveland, Ohio. Been spraying cellulose insulation for 38 years. And with these 38 years of experience, I've made every mistake that you could possibly make in this industry, and I've learned about everything there is to know. So some of the big reasons that I use sprayed cellulose insulation is primarily, number one, because it actually stops the air infiltration from happening almost completely. So a typical fiberglass home is about 4.5 to 6 air changes per hour, where a house that I spray is about 1.5 to 2. And if you stop and do the math on that, that's incredibly impressive. With this product here, the density that this is put in is 3.5 pounds per square foot, cubic foot actually. And what that means is it's so densely packed and it's stuck to this, to the studs, to the top plate at 3.5 pounds per cubic foot, which means it's not going to settle. It forms a monolithic bond, which is just a nerdy word for a spitball. So the water activates like a starch inside the paper, and then as it sticks to this, it holds it in place, and as it completely wicks itself out within 30 days, it holds that position for the life of the home. I have not been able to find a product better than Green Fiber's Sanctuary product.